Holy smokes, what a nice day. Some puffy clouds. It's 31 Celsius, just roasting again. Toy horses. Can't really see them. One of these days I'm gonna walk up to them. Say hi. Just like that. Anyway, it is just boiling, and I'm gonna try to film the new moon tonight. Should be visible just after sunset. Got about 3 or 4% moon. It's about 30 hours old right now. So we shall see. May 31st, 2022. Just hanging out at the Flat Lake, Ontario. May 31st, 3:30 p.m. Got the geese and seagulls on Seagull Island. A whole bunch of people on the beach. Well, not many, but just checking out the Flat Lake.
You're on the lottery, like the next day. It's a black fly, and a Chardonnay. It's a death row pardon,
2 minutes too late.
and isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a pretty one.
Take that flight. And when the plane crashed down, he thought, well, isn't this nice? And isn't it ironic? Don't you think?
It's like rain
On your wedding day, it's a free ride on your already there. How's that for some crepuscular sun rays? Don't know if the camera picks it up okay, but just to the naked eye, clearly the local small sun is right there hanging out. May 31st. I'm looking for the new moon, and it is somewhere around that tree, so hold on. Just try to find it as I look at the crepuscular sun rays again. And the new moon, which is on the same arc as the sun tonight, as it always is with a new moon. The new moon is attracted to the sun, and as it grows full, it repels away. These are my observations. I can't see the moon. I'm gonna try later with the Nikon and try to get lucky. It's about a 38-hour moon right now. No, let's see, 7 a.m. yesterday was new. So 36 hours, yeah, that's my record. It's just a little too overcast. Today was very roasting hot, just humid and not a very good conditions right now for finding the moon, but I shall keep trying on this flat realm of ours so we can figure out what's going on with the moon and the sun. An electromagnetic relationship. I know that Jupiter and Mars are on the ecliptical line right now. Local Mars and local Jupiter. Saturn is more on the Tropic of Capricorn. I saw them all at 4 in the morning. Venus is on the Tropic of Cancer. So yeah, just some geocentric truths. Looking for the moon. I'll come back in a half hour. It's June 1st. It's about 1 p.m. I'm approaching the Guelph Line 401 overpass, which I was at on January 27th to see the good Canadians that were protesting Trudeau, and his poison filth. So it was right here where we had the organic protest against the tyrant dictator Trudeau. 6 months later, basically, 5.5 months, in Campbellville, North Burlington, Ontario, Canada. Just making a quick video. It's roasting hot here today. Got thunderstorms coming, and yeah, small town Campbellville. Just in the Sonoma today. Took a barbecue to get money for scrap metal. Surprised, 118 pounds get me $18. It's Rattlesnake Point. As a plane goes over, just when I want it to be quiet, but that's okay. We are looking at the new strawberry moon. It is June the 1st. That's the max zoom right there. Nikon P1000. I'm looking for any signs of transparency. What a thin thimble of a crescent we are looking at here. This is the June 1st strawberry moon. So the sun set, or went away from me about a half hour ago. And I'm going to estimate that is about 5%. So the moon is on, the strawberry moon, is on a very tight arc, meaning the new moon is close to the sun on the geocentric model, also meaning that the moon is approaching the Tropic of Cancer, where the sun will be in about 21 days. So a new moon will always be attracted to the sun. Consequently, the moon is appearing still quite high in the sky, in the western sky, whereas in the winter on the Tropic of Capricorn it will be low in the sky. But I'm going to film the new moon in December to get verification of the change in how it appears versus the June new moon. Just a beautiful strawberry moon here. So looking for signs of transparency in the dark portion of the moon, because it's taking the same color as the sky. Strangely, we don't know why, but one could argue that it's atmosphere, okay, but supposedly people have seen stars through the dark portion. I don't know if that's true. I'd like to find out. That's the max. It has a pulse. It doesn't move in the same speed like it has a...
That's a plane that's coming.
Right? Look at that, look at that, look at that. I'm going to film that.
Whoa!
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Awesome, right? I should have panned back further, but that's the kind of stuff that puts it in perspective about what we're looking at. Can't be 286,000 miles away because it's in focus, and so was that. To film something that far away, to be in focus and have something 5,000 feet away in focus, I think is a problem for heliocentrism. But there you can clearly see the outline of the moon, even though it's very faint. So now, watch when I take a photo of it. I'm gonna stop. This is the problem. It's so hard to capture sometimes because things are moving very fast up there when we think they're not.
When I'm using my telescope, I'm like, oh,
You know, right?
Goes by, and then that's it.
That's a good one right here. This is a good pass. That's the max. I wish it could do more, but...
That's a nice... Are you videoing this? Or?
Yeah, it's recording.
That's a good video.
Yeah, I think it's all I want. Just to film the new strawberry moon here, June 1st, 43.5 degrees north latitude, west of Toronto, filming the new moon. Just looking at the strawberry moon hanging out in the western sky. It's 10 p.m. It's about 5% moon. Just having a fire. And gonna check out the moon again from over here, just to see the position when it gets close to set from the reference point that I'm using. So it's following the exact same path as the sun, pretty much. If you remember, the sun set right there. So this is a 2-day-old moon. So at 10 o'clock tomorrow night, the moon will be on that side of the tree. From my perspective right here. And the moon moves in relation to the sun. It loses that much distance per day. One finger thumb, pretty much right on, I meant to say. This is the distance moved in one day. So again, 10 p.m. tomorrow night, the moon will be there, and I'm going to verify that. That's the strawberry moon on the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, just wanted to re-document the moon's position at 10 p.m. using a proper reference point, which I've used in the past. So the moon tomorrow night will be just to the right of the tree. So it moves that much in one day. It can't keep up to the sun. So look for the moon tomorrow night at 10 p.m. right there. And that'll give one an idea of how fast things are moving up there. And we're looking at the strawberry moon. It's about 5% in the western sky on the Tropic of Cancer. I'm 45 degrees north latitude, approx. Hanging out, looking at the moon on the geocentric plane, known as the flat Earth. Testing with my laser. Gonna try to laser the moon real quick in between planes, because this is a high traffic air zone and I gotta be careful. But just interesting to experiment with my high power laser. No idea why I'm whispering either. And there's a plane coming, so I'm gonna start over. Okay, so just a quick laser experiment. I'm shining a laser into the hub of a tractor wheel. And one can see how the light is going the opposite way sometimes. So that could create a perspective illusion of what the sun and moon are doing in opposite hemiplanes, as far as the stars moving one way in the north and the other way in the south, because we really don't understand what light is anymore. thanks to the deception. So we're relearning everything from scratch. And I'd much rather have it that way than being deceived. So yeah, as you can see, a plane going in front of the moon now. Okay, I only have maybe a few minutes between planes here to shine my laser at the moon. We shall see. Pretty interesting. I'm gonna have to recharge my laser, but this thing is awesome.